Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the blur photo on Android. Firstly, you should have a Remini application. You can download it at the Play Store. Secondly, open the app and then click next, sign in. You can sign in or start with Facebook or Google account. If you don't have an account, click sign up. In this video, I'm gonna go with Google account. After that, click Enhance to clarify the photo. Use it, allow, and then choose a photo that you want to clarify. Click the checklist. Wait a few moments.
A few moments later.
And your photo is successfully clarified. You can see the difference between before and after fixes. If you want to keep that photo, you can click the keep logo on the top right corner and your photo is safe. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is useful, and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.